Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Android games in Windows 11. So if you want to play some games you already play in your Android device and you want to play it in your laptop in Windows 11, you can just go to the Microsoft Store. So you can just click on the Windows and you'll see the Microsoft Store, and then here is the Microsoft Store. You can just search games here. I'm going to make it big. Okay, so you can just click on the gaming option at the left panel, and you'll see here are the games that is provided by Microsoft, and you can just choose one of them. For example, you can you want to play Clash of Empire, which is usually you play on the phone. You can just click on the game and wait for it to load. Okay, you can just click on get and you can install the game right away. Okay, so the game is downloading and you can just wait until it has successfully installed and downloaded in your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.